Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I wanted to show a new Raspberry Pi high quality camera, a version of the original one that has recently become available. On raspberrypi.com, recently this new version of the Raspberry Pi high quality camera was introduced. This one on the left is the new version. It has a fitting for an M12 lens. The original high quality camera for Raspberry Pi high quality camera could have either a C or CS mount lens adapted to it. So this is the new one. It has this housing on it, and here is where the M12 lenses can plug in. And this is the original Raspberry Pi high quality camera with the C or CS mount. In my case, I had bought my original Raspberry Pi high quality camera, which is a 12 megapixel camera from Adafruit. And this is the web page. I'll put links in the description for all these pages. But there's a this is a 12.3 megapixel camera, and what they say is the standard lenses are C mount, and it also has it can adapt to CS mount. So it comes with a C to CS mount, C to CS adapter. It has an integrated IR cut filter, and it also has a tripod mount. So there's the tripod mount. Both versions have it. This is the new one. I also bought this one from Adafruit, and this is the same M12 camera. I'm sorry, the same high quality camera, but it has the M12 kit adapter. So these are the pictures that they have. It works with Raspberry Pi 0 and Raspberry Pi 4 and so on. It's a 12.3 megapixel camera, but it does not come with any lenses. Neither one of them come with any lenses. Lenses you have to purchase extra, but for this one, M12 lenses are usable. As for the lens that I'm using in this video for the high quality camera, it's the 6mm 3MP wide angle lens for Raspberry Pi high quality camera that I purchased from Adafruit. This page shows you the different pictures of this lens. You will see how this lens compares with the M12 lens that I'm using. But the focal length of this lens is 6mm. It's a CS mount, so it just fits in using the C to CS adapter. The 3MP in the name of this, according to Adafruit, please note this model is 6mm 3MP, but the 3MP doesn't refer to the megapixels. The HQ camera is still 12 megapixels. As for M12 lenses, I had purchased this set of 4 M12 lenses from Ameridroid a long time ago, and I wasn't really using them until this new version of the high quality camera came out. I wasn't using them on the Raspberry Pi. So this particular set is currently out of stock, but when I purchased it, it came with an 8mm, 6mm, 3mm, and 2.65mm. And it's a standard M12 mount, and it has an IR cut filter built in. So So basically this camera goes with these, one of these lenses. I believe it might, well, it might be, can't tell, it might be this one. I think I'm using the number 101 in this, is the 6mm is 101. And this is the lens that I have on this version of the high quality camera. What you see here, this is one of my Seed Studio reterminals that has a Raspberry Pi Compute Module 4 in it. And I've attached this is a Raspberry RPi 4, and I'm running my program on it. And you can see this has the new version of the camera with the M12 lens. And with it, you can kind of see how it focuses. This is the best focus I can get out of it when I'm looking at this scene. And I'm going to switch to the other reterminal. So these two machines are exactly the same. And this one has the original Raspberry Pi high quality camera. This one is called RPi 5. It's a Seed Studio reterminal with a Compute Module 4 in it again. But this one is using the 6mm 3MP lens. And this is really the best focus I can get out of it at this point of view, looking at the same scene. They're slightly different, and I'll switch between them. They're both 6mm focal length, but I'll refer to one as a CS mount. This is the original one, and this one is M12. And then you can see CS and M12 lens. I think I had better control over the kind of focus I could get with manually when I was trying to set up this shot to record this video. Here we can compare them in edge detection, and the image obviously is sharper. So the edges, to me, they look sharper when I'm using the M12. This is M12, this is CS, M12, CS. You can see that the M12 lens, the front foreground is pretty clear. And as we go way back there, it still maintains its sharpness. So this is the CS lens. You can see that the scene is pretty clear here, but it is blurry just a little bit of a distance further back, and blurry back there, and also blurry over here. But if I switch to the M12 lens, you can see it's pretty sharp here and about the same sharpness in a bit of a distance. It's still very good sharp here, sharp edges, and good resolution here. And even this works, this stand here, PCB stand, is clearer, not as blurry as the CS mount. So I think overall I'm happier with this lens, and with this combination of an M12, it gives me a bit more control on how well I can focus it for a small scene at a short distance. I hope this information is useful. Again, I'll put links to these different pages in the description, and hope to see you in another video.